Good evening, guys. Welcome to another Rockstar Trading live stream. Hopefully, you all are having a very good weekend. Bitcoin is having a little bit of a pump, which is really good to see. If this is the real move, I think we're going to see Bitcoin back to around 44, 45k. Then it's going to be the moment of truth. But more importantly, guys, if Bitcoin can stay like this, I think it's going to be good for some altcoins. I posted a trade setup on Twitter. That's going really nicely. I'm going to review all of these. This is a nice little scalp trade that I posted on Luna. And there's a couple of other trades I've posted. I'll go through them. Hopefully we're going to have a really good live stream, first, second, third. No worries, guys. I'm going to just post a link that I'm live in the groups. And then, yeah, we'll get started. If you have any questions, let me know. We'll stay live for an hour or so, depending on how busy the live stream is. We'll go through your questions. We'll share with you some live trades, hopefully. And share with you potentially some altcoins that could potentially move. So a lot of potential. So, hopefully we see some big moves, guys. Who's going to be the fourth to comment? Just posted the link that we're live on Twitter and Facebook and all that places, and then we'll get started. Just post it on Twitter. Just pin that. This is the Luna trade, by the way. It was just a bit of fun. I posted last night. I was down on this, and then now it's back in profit. Really nice move up. I've taken some profit in this, but I think this still moves. This move still keeps going. Hello from Utah. Flat Earth Revolution. It's a bit weird. We just posted in the Telegram group. Online. Just pin this. The links to this is below if you're interested, guys. Any coins that you're looking to buy now? India, how's it going, mate? Whereabouts in India? It's a beautiful country. I love Southeast Asia. India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka. Yeah, it is going to be volatile this week, mate. I completely agree. I mean, long term, I'm going to start the analysis in a second. This is my long term. Short term, I've posted that long in, that Luna trade that I just showed. There's another trade that I shared in the Rockstar trading group. Are you a bot? I quite like this coin. I think this is a move. This is a trade I posted in the Rockstar trading group. This is pumping at the moment. That is our trade. These are 3 coins I posted. The Luna trade that I shared. These are a couple of trades I shared with you guys. Right, before I get started, can I get a thumbs up that you can hear me well? We're going to talk for an hour, potentially longer. Share with you coins that we're long. Bitcoin, obviously, and strategy questions as well. I shared a trading strategy video on YouTube. So people that are wondering how I trade, I shared a how I trade video. Watch that. It's a beginner video. It goes through like the 4 or 5 high level steps you can start implementing now. So yeah, go watch that. And if you are interested in learning more about our strategy, joining the Telegram group, I live stream there 3 to 4 times a week, share with you strategies, join our community. I'll leave the links below for you to check out if you're interested. But let's get started then. Before I get started, can you guys hear me? Shalom, yes, pump it, mate. Pump it to the moon. Kiba, I'll talk about Kiba, so I'll talk about all the meme coins as well. I think Kiba could potentially have another rally. I won't buy it now. I shared with you my... I'll have a look at Carl. Just give me a thumbs up that you can hear me well. Yeah, I don't believe in flat earth. I really don't believe it. I've got a friend actually who believes in flat earth, and I've had lots of conversations with him. Awesome. Yeah, that sounds good. So let's talk about high time frame. Someone asked me in that video, I talked about CME gap. Watch this video. Was it this video? Yeah, it was this video. Talk about CME gap and why I'm potentially risk. I'll explain CME gap in a bit more detail as well. Oh, awesome, guys. Do you know what, Nico? We're going to talk about flat earth at the end of the live stream. Let's talk about crypto because this is a Bitcoin live stream. I'll debunk your flat earth mystery, and I think you'll start believing that it's not a flat earth by end of the live stream. So let me talk about crypto for an hour, and then I'll debunk your flat earth theory. I'll show you some research because I've just, you know, it was weird. My friend and I was a bit drunk and we talked about flat earth, and yeah, anyways, most people here for crypto. Yeah, I'll spend a lot of time talking about Luna, especially that weird trade that I posted. I'll talk about this. I was down about 20% on this one, so I'll talk about this trade as well. Right, so Bitcoin, let's talk about high time frame. So high time frame, not much has changed. You know, people just look at like short time frame and, you know, pump down, pump up. But high time frame, Bitcoin is still in range. Let me just get rid of this. Sorry, I'll get rid of that. Sort that after. So high time frame, not much has changed, guys. We are just going sideways, and this could potentially be a lower high. It could be at 32k. It could be a little bit lower towards 30k, but if we're in sideways consolidation, if we cleanly break 30k, that's when, you know, we could be really worried for a potential dip like this to 4k. You know, here we broke even, very aggressive selling, but now at the moment just going sideways, not to get too worried. Monthly time frame is not telling us much, but high time frame, this is what I'm looking at. So high time frame, we came here, this was the high. I like XMR, by the way. This is a trade you can look to buy now even. I think XMR is my favorite privacy coin. I think XMR is better than Zcash, and it's giving a setup now. I share this in the Rocko trading group. You can look to buy this 1 hour pullback. I think this heads towards 250 next, and then potentially even higher. So I like XMR. So if you like privacy coins, Nico, buy XMR. That's my favorite privacy coin. Going back to Bitcoin, weekly time frame, we are breaking a key zone, and this is looking like a fake out, and I don't like fake outs. Previous fake outs have led to huge dumps. We faked out here, dumped, faked out here, dumped. Previously here, this fake out I shorted, I was wrong. I said I was looking to short Bitcoin. If people in the Rocko trading group or people that watch my YouTube live streams, I was wrong here. So I'm not just sharing with you my winners. I shorted here. Once it got back above, that's when I got aggressively bullish. And you can go back and check the videos from before. And these two trades, this didn't really cleanly break down. And once we broke down, fake out, dump, we've had huge sell-off. What we don't want to see now is a fake out and then dump. So in the video that I just released a few hours ago, I really want Bitcoin to rally up back above here this week. Even if we just close, I want a buy coming in, which we are seeing now. If you watch this video, short time frame, I said I'm bullish. I think Bitcoin has a rally, and it's giving that breakout now, which is amazing to see. I've not long Bitcoin. I'm long some altcoins, which I've shared with you guys, Luna, and I like PYR as well. PYR we traded last week, and I also like GLMR. These are the altcoin longs we've taken, which I'll review. But short time frame, I'm bullish. I think Bitcoin rallies into 44k and potentially even higher. The question is going to be, could we break above this red zone? If we can break above this red zone, really bullish, buy Bitcoin. If we can't break above this red zone, guys, then I am potentially concerned for lower prices. So that's just a high time frame where we are. I'll go into a lot more detail short term, but if you're more of an investor, I want to keep you guys on the Christ is round. Some people don't believe in Christ. I believe in Bitcoin. That's my religion. I believe in crypto. It's giving me so much. I love crypto and I believe in crypto. Willie, thank you, mate. Thumbs up. No worries. So hopefully that makes sense. But that's what I'm looking at. So high time frame, the two key zones to look for. Well, the most important line in the chart, I'd say, is around 46k. If we can break back above here, that will give me bullishness. And the reason is why here, I just follow a trend. I've been teaching this strategy 7-8 years, and I follow this same strategy. Once we broke here, I was bearish, looking for lower prices. And then once we broke out, I was bullish and we had a really big rally. Same here. I was shorting Bitcoin here. I lost money there, and then made more money than I could think about once we started breaking out here. So if we start breaking back above 46, 47k, this will tell me that this is potentially, these whales, they try to take your money away. These people are a lot smarter than myself and you. What they're trying to do is get you to sell Bitcoin before they pump it. They make you think it's bearish, and then they try and pump it. So if it starts getting back above here, I am bullish. Pump your altcoins, whatever coins you have, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Kiba, Inu, whatever's your favorite coin. Pump them, and I think they'll all rally potential, give you those huge pumps. And Dogecoin's also bullish, and short term frame, guys, I am leaning bullish, and hopefully we'll share some more trades with you guys on the live stream today. A couple of more things to talk about. The way we trade Bitcoin, we look at what the other markets are doing. Dixie is really strong. This is the dollar index. When dollar index is up, Bitcoin don't usually perform that well. At the moment, I think Dixie heads higher. I think Dixie's next target is 109, potentially 101. Good evening, Bitcoin 20. You've joined our previous live streams, mate. Welcome to the live stream. Apologies, guys, I didn't release that. I didn't do a live stream on Sunday last weekend, but I'll try and do these. I'll try to keep a bit of a routine, but I did release that video, the strategy video. Go watch that, comment and like that on that video, guys. I'd really appreciate that support. So yeah, Dixie, I think Dixie goes higher again. That gives that bias. If Bitcoin breaks down and Dixie pumps, Bitcoin could potentially head lower. So I'm going to be watching that very closely next week. Next week could be a really big week if Dixie starts breaking out. And then unfortunately, stock market is breaking down as well. Stock market has broken below this key red zone. If you remember previous live stream, I talked about it. And if we can't break back above here and we carry on dumping, I think this could, drag Bitcoin down. Bitcoin and SPX correlate really strongly. So if SPX starts breaking down and can't quickly get back above this red zone, I expect lower prices in Bitcoin. So before I end this Bitcoin section and hand over to you guys for any altcoins you want me to review, the most important thing we're looking at is if Bitcoin breaks out above 46, 47k, SPX breaks out above that red zone that I shared with you guys, which comes in around 4600, buy Bitcoin. I think we're going to see a big pump. Yeah, I believe again, I don't want to talk about religion and stuff. It was a bit of a joke when I talked about Bitcoin. I believe in God in a way. I don't know what that terminology is. I believe there's something out there. I don't just completely believe in evolution. I think for us to have started, there must have been God that started it. So I believe in God, and my family is quite religious. I don't want to talk. I'm quite a shy person. I don't share too much about my background. My dad's quite religious, and I've lived in different countries. But yeah, so I believe in God, and I always thank, appreciative. But Anyways, this is a crypto live stream. Why are we talking about flat earth and religion? Anyways, guys, that's my thoughts on Bitcoin. Did you guys, any questions on Bitcoin before I move on? Any strategy question? Any questions on that video that I shared? Before I move on to all the other coins, any questions on Bitcoin? I'll give you guys a couple of minutes to ask any Bitcoin related questions. Okay, looks like you guys are okay on Bitcoin. So I'll move on to other coins then. So let's talk about Luna. We have to talk about Luna. Flat earthers, that is funny. What did you? Flat earthers believe XRP. Who is a flat earther? Nico, do you believe XRP will go to 100? You can see short time frame is bullish. So short time frame is pumping, guys. I think I'm in really good profit now on that trade. So let's talk about Luna in a bit more detail then. So Luna, I did share a trade on Luna here. Where's that gone? Is it on the other chart? It's annoying. Shared a scalp trade on Luna here. That was last week. I'll talk about Zilliqa in a bit more detail. I missed the Zilliqa pump. If you got Zilliqa, take profit. So exactly, that is like my mantra. That is like my mantra. So let's talk about Luna then. So I was really bullish on Luna, if you guys remember when we broke out here. You know, thanks for all the retweets. My Twitter got a lot more popular after I started to share that live Luna trades, because not many people share live trades. I find YouTube a bit weird. People don't really, I'm sharing the content that I share live trades, which I make money. People don't really like that. That's why I've changed my thumbnails to like crazier thumbnails, and seems to be getting more views, which is a bit weird. But anyways, I always rant about the influences. But I was bullish Luna. Then once we broke below 100, I'm worried. I don't think that, you know, this is really good. End is near. What do you mean, Nico? I mean, I just find it. Dexter, how's it going, mate? I think you're from the group. If you have any questions, just post in the Telegram group or here. I'll look through your any questions you have. So yeah, so to review Luna again, so let's review one trade I shared. That was end of last week. Sorry, that wasn't Luna. It was a PYR long trade. That's why I couldn't find it. So I'll share with you my PYR trade in a second. Let's talk about Luna now, because it's about Luna. So Luna, once it broke below, I'm not as bullish, guys. I have sold some positions as well below here. If it gets back above this red zone, gives me bullishness, pull back like this, I'll buy more. But I won't post that on Twitter because lunatics will kill me. But short term, I'm bearish on Luna as long as we're below here. Long term, I'm massively bullish, and I'll release that. I've not had a chance to release that Mars protocol video, so I've been a bit disappointed. I'll have a look at, yeah, Zilliqa. Zilliqa's good. CBD is not the future, I don't think. I like privacy coins. I agree with you, privacy coins. But CBD is not the future, in my opinion. Luna UST is a lot more likely to succeed than CBT. I like that, Nico. I don't like XRP as well. So that's a long-term Luna. If it gets back above here, I'm bullish, pump it. But for now, what I want to see Luna do is hold here and come back to $100. So that's my short time frame trade plan. And I shared that trade on Twitter, and I was down. You can see that I was down, but now it's back in profit. Give us a follow on Twitter if you want. I can post charts there a lot more. Doge, I don't mind Doge as much. I'll talk about my thoughts on Doge in a second. But yeah, then it came into support, held support. I love this support. And I said in my post, as long as we hold above 91, I'm bullish. So it held above 91. I had my stop below 90, but if I wanted it to hold above 91, held there and now pushed up. Now I think it's coming to first target. This is my first target, which is hitting now. So if you did take that Luna trade anywhere, sell some, take half profit, and we break above here. I think it comes into here. These are just short time frame trades. Long term, this doesn't mean anything. These are just quick in and out short time frame trades. So that's what I'm looking at for Luna. If Luna breaks $100 this week, pump it again. It's an amazing protocol. What they're doing with buying BTC, I can talk a little bit about news as well, because Bitcoin, Luna, I follow the news. Litecoin as well, I like Litecoin. I think Litecoin will pump. I'll review all your coins, Nico, in a second. I'm just focusing on these coins. I'll look at Zilliqa as well, and just remind me again if I forget. I'll try to look through all coins. So that's my thoughts on Luna. If we break here, I've got an alert set. Oh, I've not got an alert set. I'll post in the group for you guys as well. I think if Luna breaks here, it could get a really nice pump, and I don't think Luna top is in. I think Luna has another rally. So if we break above 100, this trend, I'm going to use my strategy to get back into Luna for another rally into like higher 150s. I think that's where potentially Luna could top. So that's my thoughts on Luna. What did Dexter ask? SMR, I've not heard of that coin. I can have a quick look. I don't like this, mate. It's just dumping. Unless you know anything about news, I'll avoid it. Or let me know which exchange are you looking to trade SMR. Which exchange are you looking to trade XMR? People love Keeper. So let's talk about a few of my coins. So GLMR. So this is another trade I just posted in the group. This is looking good. Pull back to hourly, holding daily MA. I think this pumps 240. Yeah, maybe. So you can look to buy this as long as, I mean, I've got my stop there. This is the trade I posted this just today. We'll have a look at a few other coin requests. This is my trade. It's slightly in profit now. I think it heads towards 440, potentially higher. That's the trade from the Rockstar Trading Group. I'll have a look at all your coins. So I like this one, GLMR. I like Luna. Obviously, I've shared that trade. And the other trade is PYR. So PYR, I took a trade last Friday live stream. So like I'm doing this live stream here, I do 3 to 4 live streams in the Rockstar Trading Group. PYR, $15 is a huge support level. Again, PYR is one of my favorite coins. If you guys watched my videos before, I used to make a lot more altcoin videos. PYR was a 10x coin for us. We got in PYR back around here, $5. We can see these lines that I drew bullish above. Get in here, perfect pullback and moon. And I'm not saying join the group we get moons. A lot depends on what happens with the prices. So big move up. Come here, hit target, amazing. So amazing trade on PYR, and I think PYR could be getting ready again. If Bitcoin can get back above 47k just by PYR, I think it's going to be a big move coin. So let me share with you the trades now. Yeah, if you want to invest, that's I say to new people. Nico, when did you get in crypto? If you got in crypto, I got in early 2017 and I made crazy money in 2017. It depends a lot on when you get in. If someone's buying Bitcoin at, I think Bitcoin goes to 100k, even higher. I'm a massive Bitcoin believer. But if you're wanting those quick gains, then, Bitcoin market cap is a lot higher. We'll have a look at all your coins, guys. I'm staying live for another 40 minutes, potentially longer. So PYR, again, I said I really like it. This was our most recent trading PYR pullback. Hit 20, that was our target. I wanted this to hold, and I thought at least we're going to get some pumps here. So I traded PYR. You can see just long some PYR. You can see the entry here, stop loss below. And this is another strategy that I use on this video on YouTube. I shared a trend trading pullback strategy, but there's a few other strategies that we use. RSI divergence, we use like huge RSI sell-offs, we use breakouts. There's lots of other strategies that we teach. So we use this RSI divergence strategy here. longed it before the live stream and it hit target. Really nice move up, nice little scalp trade. Now it's broken down. I'm looking to buy it again. If we can trend change here, I'm going to set an alert on this, and this could be a live trade if it breaks above. It's holding daily MA. That is a beautiful chart. I'll draw my line at 1613. I like that zone. If we can trend change above here, you can see this, what I've basically drawn. If it can trend change above there, buy it. I think this could have another pump. Any PYR fans, anyone from Rocko Trading Group or from Twitter that took this trade? But 25-30 people watching, guys. Hit that like button, guys. Really helps us out. Nico, when did you get involved in crypto? I've actually enjoyed it. I know one of the things that I really value in life is like people with different opinions. And, you know, I used to be quick in and out trader. Then I hold Bitcoin long term that I won't sell. And so I'm not having a go at hodlers. You know, trading is probably not for everyone. The amount of time I've spent trading is ridiculous. So I'd like to know your when you got involved in crypto. So yeah, that's my thoughts on PYR. So those are the coins that I'm personally trading in the Rocko Trading Group. And meme coin wise, I like Kiba. I posted a Kiba trade. Let me share the Kiba trade, and this has been shared on YouTube live stream as well last week. So I tried to help you guys as well on YouTube. This was our Kiba entry. You can see the price I got in Kiba just below 4,000. The meme coin, and I posted it here. Please don't buy loads. If you buy Kiba, don't risk too much. 2013. Wow. No wonder you're a multimillionaire. So if anyone got in that early, then yes. And this is a strange thing. I'm not trying to like share like FUD, but I've noticed like people that like in Bitcoin community, we always have not crazy people, like outside thinking people. There's like I don't want to start like QAnon to come and attack me and get my YouTube banned. But there's lots of people. I went to this event and they were talking about all the crazy stuff like devil eating. And then I went to another conference. They used to like believe in having nothing. They sold everything and moved into somewhere to just live in the land and like make their own food and farm. And another one, I've just met some really interesting people in crypto. Anyways, Kiba, you can see the entry. I have sold half in this. I'm not fully in. When I get like a 2x, just below a 2x, I sold half of it. I'm still holding. I think you could still buy this. Kiba is a crazy coin. For some reason, even in like one of the things you can do is on my Twitter, you'll see some coins I post about gets like just not many likes, and then some coins just gets like hundreds of likes, and that is a good barometer. Back in the day, if you guys remember Volt Inu, that got like crazy likes, and you know, some I get like 50 or 10 likes, 20 likes, and then for Kiba, for some reason, look at the likes I get. It's just ridiculous. So there's lots of people trying to pump Kiba. So meme coin, if you join for meme coin, Kiba is a coin that you could look to buy. Okay, now the floor's on to you guys. This is time. I'm just gonna there's one more coin I need to review, then I'm gonna just open up the floor to you guys. There's some really not crazy, there's some insane people in this world, mate. And look, I used to be, you know, job full-time, and crypto's allowed me to go to networking events, and I love doing that. I've talked about some of the events that I go to. So I'm just Abe's broken out. Have you bought Dexter? Have you bought Ape? That is a crazy breakout. So again, this group is not just for me. It's like a lot of other people that I learn from. He posted about Ape and boom, breakout. Nico, you owe me some money. You need to send me some money, Nico. 2013, amazing. So yeah, amazing. I love Ape. I'm happy to buy a pullback in Ape. You could even look to buy some now, Tog. I think this heads towards 13. I like Ape. Really good trade, Dexter. I don't know if you bought it. You shared it in the group. Breakout here. Breakout above hourly MA. Awesome. I love that, Dexter. I think this heads towards here next. If you get a pullback and like a green candle, we could look to buy some more. I think this resistance, I don't want it to break below here. But yeah, this is not a bad, I like this Ape coin. And then one more coin from Zubair, and so one I've just got a couple more coins to review, and then we'll open the floor up to YouTube fans. We can spend your time. This is breaking out now, Zubair. I'll just reply to him in the group. Breaking out now. Bullish. As long as above. I'll have a look at XLM. I'll have a look at Zilliqa, all of that. 12.6, 12.5. I mean, target wise, I think this comes into here. This does. This is just short term, guys. I don't like it long term. 1380 and 14.3 would be my targets for that, Zubair. And then COV and ACA are the last two coins from the group. I like COV as well. Is COV? Oh no, that's CVX. I don't know anything about COV. I mean, this is a trade setup for me. I'll have a look at SRM for you, mate. 2 seconds. I mean, I think this pumps as well. These are some good coins you're sharing today, Zubair. You're getting some live trade signals, guys. Thanks, Zubair. If you join the Rockstar Trading Group, if you make money from this, thanks, Zubair. Zubair, are you on the live stream? Nice trade setup, Zubair. I like COV. Oh, you're here. Awesome, mate. And SRM, I'll have a look at SRM. ACA for David. Yeah, above. I completely agree with you. I mean, you could even look for an attempt here. I like this zone. So even 1.8, you can look for a setup. But yeah, I like it. Wow, this has got a lot of. I don't own Zilliqa at the moment. No, I don't own Zilliqa at the moment, mate. I did take a trade in Zilliqa, which I'll share, but I'm not hodling Zilliqa, if you want to say. Yeah, $2 would be my zone, David. Above $2. Above $2. And final coin, SRM. I'll have a look at Zilliqa next. I think Ashi/Slashy. Have I seen you before on the live stream? SRM, I'm not the biggest fan. I like your other coin, mate. It's not my setup, mate. Dexter. I don't have I mean, short term you can look for it, but like, you know, Ape coin, I could see the move coming. I like the coins that Zubair has shared. This is broken support. I mean, this is holding support here. This is when I'm a bit unsure. I don't really have a setup. And this low level red line, we can use this red line for a trade potentially. Something like this, I'd be interested. Target here. But high time frame, I need to see more. Okay, no worries, mate. I'll have a look at Zilliqa for you. I thought I've seen you before on the live stream. So yeah, I would ideally like this above 3.3. That will be like breakout. This is just short term, you know, when we get these breakouts. I mean, SRM, is this yeah, thanks for liking the video, guys. Dexter, is this related to Solana, isn't it? I mean, we traded this one here. These are the breakout zones. This is not broken out. I like coins that have broken out, and that's one of the first things. People that are watching, go watch this video. You make money and definitely not lose a lot of money if you follow those few rules I've shared. Yeah, I'll have an alert set. I'll let you know if it does break out. Okay, so it's up to you guys. No worries, Ashley. Nice to meet you as well. Right, it's up to you guys. So let's have a look at Zilliqa. Zilliqa had a big breakout. They had some metaverse announcement and it broke out. So Zilliqa, my only trade, and I didn't get this breakout. You know, when we had a crazy breakout here, I didn't trade this. And there's trades that I take, trades that I miss. I missed that trade. Let me just go to the coins. Solana Dex. I think that. Do you mean Thug? Thug is a funny name. Do you mean that is SRM? I mean, Solana's break here. Solana is not a bad trade now. I'll have a look at XLM next after Zilliqa. So my trade was somewhere here, and I traded a little bounce towards here. That was my quick in and out trade. Oh, sorry, it was here. This breakout, I played this breakout for a quick in and out trade. Yeah, Bitcoin 20. I'm gonna look at XLM, then I'll do VeChain, and then I'll do Bitcoin 20s. About 30 people watching, guys. Let's see if we can get it to 50 likes. We used to have like 100, 200 people back in the day. I don't know. It just drops. If you do enjoy it, yeah, SRM is Solana related, yes. So Zilliqa, I mean, it's not looking short term. I think all these coins are bullish. The post that I made is right. It's easy to make money. It's just knowing when to get in. And this is my post. And if you will take one thing out, there's so many coins looking good. As long as Bitcoin don't dump on us, I think these coins makes us money. And I've shared 5 coins in exact entries. I mean, I've sharing with you coins now. I think you're gonna pump. And I'll have a look at Zcash as well. Yeah, I'll have a look at Joshua, no worries. And if I miss, just apologize. Obviously, there's quite a few people watching. Thanks, guys. See if we can get it to 20 likes. So Zilliqa at the moment is just, I'm not sure. Short term, I think we could rally into 13 or 15 cent. But I'm not really looking for big breakout trades now. There was few members in my group bought Zilliqa. If you have Zilliqa, if you got in Zilliqa somewhere here, I would take profit. My take target zone was here, and this, when it came to 20 cent, I actually posted in the group sell Zilliqa, and I can't remember which chart. I posted like a short setup here, like something like this. Just like a 1-to-1 trade idea. I can't remember which chart it was. Was it KuCoin? So that's my trade setup. In it, news related, it could go a lot higher. Short term, I think this rallies up. It's pumping now, as you can see. I think this comes into here. That's my next target, and that you could use that as a potential trade, like a nice 1-to-1 trade here. I think this comes into here next. But then I'm not sure. For me to trade, I'd probably need a lot of consolidation, something like this. Then I'd buy. If not, I'll just wait on the sidelines. Let's have a look at Zilliqa BTC. Zilliqa BTC, what is it doing? Zilliqa BTC is looking good as well. Yeah, Zilliqa could rally. I think Zilliqa heads back towards that 15 cent level. It's breaking out here now. So if Zilliqa holds above this red zone, I think Zilliqa goes towards... yeah, 15, 16 zone. Dogelon Mars. I like meme coin. My meme coin is Kiba at the moment. There's always a meme coin you should hold. Right, so I've done Zilliqa. Let's do VeChain. I need to do KNC next. And XLM. I've missed XLM. This is literally trying to trend change now. It's not a buy for me now. Flip the hourly MA. Can you see this zone that I've drawn? That is a beautiful zone. Flip this zone. I'm going to be buying. Targeting 8 cent. I'd love another little altcoin move. Yeah, I'll have a look at XLM. KNC and XLM next. So that's my thoughts on VeChain. KNC and XLM next. So KNC. Which exchange did I look at KNC? I don't think there's that much chart history on KNC. So look at this. Oh my, KNC's looks good. How have I missed KNC? What's the market cap for KNC, guys? What's the market cap for KNC? I might buy some KNC myself. It's Kyber Network, isn't it? Is KNC Kyber Network? I'm just checking the market cap for KNC. Let me know if KNC is Kyber Network. I'm just trying to check it on KNC. If this is a good project, I'm happy to buy KNC. They've got some news as well, haven't they? They've got some news as well on KNC. It is Kyber Network. It's in the top 100, so the market cap isn't as high. This could break out. Who shared KNC? I like KNC. Should I buy KNC now? I mean, this is already given that pullback and pumped. We want to get in on this pullback. So if you watch my strategy, I like to buy this pullback. But it's already moved. I'm going to set an alert on this. When I pull back on this, I'd buy. Pull back to like $4. It should not get back below here. I mean, I'd have a stop loss below there. It should not get... If you buy some, I mean, I'd at least wait for it to above there. I would love something like this. I'll add this coin to our watch list next week. I want to trade this. I'll set an alert. I'm not in this at the moment. So was it Bitcoin? I think Bitcoin 20 shared it, or was it someone else that shared it? Nico, I don't agree with you. I didn't agree with you with a lot of things you said, but cash is trash I believe that. That is my mantra. Like, cash is trash. Buy Dogecoin, buy XRP, but don't hold cash. You know, cash is guaranteed to make you lose money. So yeah, I definitely agree with you on that. XLM, I know, what's his name? Ultimate, you've asked for XLM a few times. XLM, I mean, is that similar to... Got XLM here. I used to trade XLM. So XLM BTC chart doesn't excite me. This is why I don't like it. So XLM, I shared an amazing sell signal on XLM. This was back in 2019, and one of the first things that I'll teach this from my course, because I think everyone needs to know this. If something breaks floor, I call it breaking floor. That is really bearish, and this broke floor here. That's the last weekly closes here. Once something break floor, it can just carry on dumping. It's down 95%. Unless I see a big breakout in XLM, I don't want to buy it. There might be short-term frame pumps. There's always short-time pumps. Sorry, we've seen like pumps like this. I traded this move. You can type in XLM breakout. You'll see the trade I posted in the Rocko trading group. But XLM, Bitcoin 20, and Gerald. So what was your entry on KNC, guys? I hate pumping other people's bag. I want to get in a coin first. Like, you know, Kiba, I got in here and then I'm talking about it. I don't want to buy people's bags. I don't know if I can I like your comment? Gerald and Bitcoin 20 talked about KNC. Hey, we've hit 20 likes. So XLM, I'm not the big fan. Simple things I can use. I think, was it Nico? I think Nico posted, buy when Bitcoin goes up, buy altcoin goes up more. When Bitcoin goes down, altcoin goes down more. So only buy coins that are outperforming Bitcoin. You know, people say I'm a Luna shiller, and I'm not. I don't care about all that stuff. If you look at Luna BTC chart, I want to be buying charts that look like this, that are trending up. You know, look at KNC. I said I like KNC BTC. Look at the KNC BTC chart breaking out. Man, I'm upset that I've missed KNC. Orel. Orel's an absolute legend. Orel, did you trade KNC? Orel's an amazing trader. I mean, I've learned some scalping techniques from Orel. Say hi to Orel, guys. Anyways, yeah, I like KNC. I did try and trade KNC. It didn't work out. I bought a KNC here. It didn't hit target, I think. Yeah, look, I missed out on KNC. Orel did call KNC. Man, I missed this pullback. Oh man, don't get stuck into holding old bags. That's one thing you shouldn't do. Yeah, we missed the current move. Our trading strategy, we try not to FOMO. This has already moved 20% in the last few hours, so not a buy for me now. Maybe a pullback to $4, and maybe a setup or chop and then breakout, like I shared on this chart. So I did share a trade on this, and I'm not in this now. I didn't take it myself. Which other chart did we look at? We looked at here, didn't we? Yeah, something like this I'd buy again. QNT is good. I like QNT. Then they're good projects. I did take a trade on QNT last time. I think it's a really good project, or at least got hype. So one other point I want to talk about with Joshua is when there's so many coins that could you buy KNC now? No, I've already answered that. Have I missed any coins that you've asked for? Gerald's got some really good coins. Theta, yeah, I'll have a look at Theta. So QNT is not bad. QNT above this zone, I'd be interested. I'm even happy to set an alert on this one because I do think this could pump. So 130, break 130, I think this will rally up into 145.50s. Swissborg, you've asked for that a few times. I thought it was, I didn't even know if it was a coin. Swissborg. So we've got a USD chart. Dent, yeah, I'll have a look at Dent. Nico thinks QNC will pump. Yeah, we've got alerts set on QNC, Nico. What's your thoughts on long term? I mean, if you've been in crypto since 2013, people always just have an open mind. You learn so much. What's your thoughts on Litecoin long term, Nico? I'm long near. I'll talk about near in a lot more detail. So Swissborg, looking at it, that is my key resistance. I need it to break above there. When it came into here, support, same, the Luna trade that I just shared, buying support on Luna and the 4-hour chart, same as that. Swissborg, it's not a buy for me now. If you like it fundamentally, wait for some trend changes. Joshua, I completely agree. I completely agree with that. Astro, yes. Astro's like pumped massively. This is a Luna coin that I love. I'll spend a bit more time on Nia. That's a good question, Malco. So Astro, I still like Astro. This is not the chart. This is Astro chart. I'll keep an eye out for it, I mean, I'll do another live stream. Bitcoin, if you join the next live stream next Sunday, I'll try to do it next Sunday, or if not later, I'll talk about it. So Astro, you can look to buy. I called Astro here. I'm long Astro. I think this goes higher. Same as Kiba. I took some profit in this. I think this goes a lot higher. This is an exchange type token on Luna. So I like Luna and I like exchange. This is like match made in heaven for me. This was a Astro trade. I posted it back in, when was it? March 2021. And I also posted when I've taken profit on this. So Litecoin, I used to love Litecoin. I even worked on the Litecoin project. I've touched on, I'll have a look at Aurora next. I've missed Aurora a few times. Just ask me again. And I do want to spend time talking about Nia. So remind me again if I've forgotten. So, so Litecoin, I traded Litecoin. Watch my video. I got in Litecoin here. Put stop loss below there. And we had a huge move up. Litecoin is still one of the more popular coins on my channel. I really like Litecoin long term, but then they've had few issues with the project. Charlie Lee dumping his coins. And then Light Pay sort of not communicating with the team very well. I've not liked the project as much as I used to. I used to, like I said, be really involved with the project. So I'm not as big a fan of Litecoin as I was, but I do think we're going to get another huge pump leading up to next Litecoin halving. And Nico will tell you how these halving pumps happen. I've seen it happen twice now in my time in crypto, and I'm expecting another big Litecoin pump. But I don't know if Litecoin will just like pump and hit to like $2, $3, $5, $10,000. I'm not as big a fan of Litecoin. They need to really change something drastically, drive some huge adoption for Litecoin to pump into like 500, 1,000, 10,000 on something crazy. So that's my thoughts on long-term Litecoin. My prediction for Litecoin halving is around $400. I expect Litecoin to come into around $400, $350, $400 for the next Litecoin halving, and I'd look to trade it. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and all that good stuff. I live traded Litecoin, and if you want to learn more about my trading strategy, watch Litecoin halving video. And this is how I've got those, Cardano getting in below 10 cents. Someone asked about Theta. We got in Theta less than $1. This is how I use. So Litecoin halving, this video, watch this video. And this was the Litecoin top happened after, I think, 4 days after my call. And I'd look to trade Litecoin, and it's one coin that's I still feel close to. Aurora, I think you asked for Nia. I'll have a look at Nia as well. Aurora, I've not looked at Aurora lately. I don't like Aurora simply because my trading strategy tells me if it breaks support, it's no good, so I wouldn't look to buy it. Yeah, I'll have a look at GRT. So Aurora, simple analysis, I don't like it. Someone asked for Theta. Yeah, I don't like Theta now. I'm gonna watch my Theta videos. I love the project, and I'm gonna spend a bit more time on this. No, but what do you think fundamentally though, Nico? I know you saying that, but there's no narrative. Zcash and XMR, I'm more bullish on them than Litecoin fundamentally. I don't see how Litecoin fundamentally has like a big use case or a narrative, in my opinion, at the moment, unless the team changes, Charlie Lee does something. Yeah, I was just thinking about your thoughts on it fundamentally. If Bitcoin goes to like 100K, something ridiculous, then yeah, Litecoin could pump to those or even higher. But yeah, I mean, 100K isn't ridiculous for Bitcoin. It needs to go a lot higher. Okay, have I looked at the wrong one, bro? Aurori. Can you post the chart? Have I missed it? Okay, this one looks a bit better. Okay, I think I was looking at the wrong one. Apologies, mate. This is breaking out. I like it. Next target should be 12. It's breaking out now. You could look to buy this now on a shorter time frame. Look for trade setups on this. Look for trade setups on this. I think this heads towards here. I like it. Yeah, $12 to $13 next. Have stop below $10. Well, I'll have stop below 950, just below this candle. And this is good. If it pulls back, I'll just post this and we'll review this. Is this the right one? Yeah, I think Bitcoin could go even to, if in a hyperinflation time, Bitcoin could go to, what did I say, 950. I'll leave this on here, see if it works. Where's my target? I mean, this could go even higher. Okay, GRT for Orel. Yeah, Link is another one of those old tokens. I mean, I could spend some time talking about Link as well. And I followed Link for a while. I've got some videos on Link since 2018, sorry. I like this one, mate. So GRT, or else called GRT, right? I'll take a screenshot, or and I'll post it in the group, and I'll see if we can trade this. Some of Orel's calls have pumped a lot. I think this wants to go flip for RMA. Next target should be here, $43.44, 44 cents. Sorry, not dollars. I like this. Yeah, have GRT on your watch list if Orel likes it. This could come into this level. I like it. Yeah, that daily MA is my target. This is still accumulating. I mean, I don't know if this is like a huge accumulation and breakout. Above 50 cent, I'd be really bullish. But I'm happy to look for a trade on this. You can see this was previous support. Let's have a look at GRT BTC. Has it got any news, Orel? Has it got any news? And Orel's done his analysis anyway. Yeah, really nice support. My question was, Orel, has GRT got any news? Because it's at a nice support level. I don't know if he's. Let me know in the future. Right, so that's my thoughts on GRT. I like it. Right, Chainlink. Let's talk a bit about Chainlink. So I made a video on Chainlink. I talk a lot of detail on Chainlink. This was a trade I shared with you in that video. Right, okay, volume increasing. Okay, I'll watch it on my watch list, and yeah, I'll post a chart in the group as well. Right, so type in Chainlink, you'll see a video on it. I shared my thoughts on Chainlink, and Chainlink, something that Chainlink doesn't do well is value capture. Chainlink is one of the most important infrastructures in crypto. 100. Someone just unliked the video, or have you just double liked it, guys? We've dropped in likes. Have I said something that annoyed you guys? See if you can send it back above, like it. Okay, so yeah, Chainlink doesn't have good value capture, and I talk about this in a lot more detail. You know, we've seen what this will lead me on to Near. I'm going to talk about Near next. Near is trying to do that. Lots of other projects are trying to copy Luna and improving their tokenomics. You know, Luna is burnt to mint UST, and that is a crazy model, and that's why, you know, people have made life-changing money. Luna's like one of the top cryptos at the moment. So Link's value capture is really bad, and with Link staking, and they're making some changes, if they catch on, I think Link price should be a lot higher. What's the market cap for Link at the moment? Let's have a quick look. Again, it's not coming up straight away. I'm having to scroll down. So Chainlink is 23rd in the market cap. I mean, Chainlink should be top 10 if you think about Chainlink. Chainlink should be in the top 10, and that's my thoughts on it. And Near, I'm long Near. I shared a trade setup in the Rocko trading group, and I share with you when I'm wrong. And again, please, I get people join the group and be like, oh, you've not shared a trade. It's not, I don't want to be like a trade signal guy, but this was our trade in Near. I posted the trade a while back. You can see this wasn't moving, and one of the members in the Rocko trading group, I've booted him out the group now. He joined the group, I think, after 2 weeks ago on the live stream. It was like, oh, share trades, and I posted this trade a while back, and I posted it on 21st of March, which was here. And you know, this was just going sideways, and all the other cryptos were pumping, and he exited Near, and it was like, oh, your coin's not pumping, I'm not learning strategy. And I was like, I'm just holding. I've been trading for years. I know my setup. I'm happy to hold with stop loss below. And I just kept holding and it wasn't moving. And then finally look at this move now in NIA. It's been one of the biggest coins, and it's still pumping. I had 25%. I'm still holding 10% now, and if NIA breaks 20, I'll buy more. Thanks, Gerald. I really appreciate it. I don't know why. I think because I'm not really a marketing guy. I'm a trader, and I just release content that I want. But I think my production value isn't great, and I'm quite shy as well. I don't want to like show my face and stuff. Maybe I will in the future. I think that could be like a learning experience for me. I think those are the things. I think if you look at like the Moon Carl and BitBoy, they show like crazy faces, buy now, and I don't know. Maybe I need to improve that, but that could be a challenge for me in the future. But at the moment, like, I'm really happy with my life, traveling, trading, and helping people. Some of the I've got a small group, just helping people. I only charge 30 quid, so it's not nothing crazy, but the community I've got, I mean, Aurel would know, I just really enjoy that. Waking up every day, posting charts, updating, having fun on Twitter, and I just see it as a bit of fun. I don't even want to be that big. I'd like a bit more followers, but yeah, I would see it more as a challenge in the future if I want to do it. But I'm quite happy at the moment. I'm fairly busy as well, so I can't really do a lot of that. But yeah, I appreciate your support, Gerald, and people that are watching. If you enjoy it, just hit a like, subscribe. I'd really enjoy it. No, Bitcoin. Yeah, I know what you mean. I won't do that. I don't think I'm not that type of person. And if I even, what I definitely won't do is like what they do. What's it called? Was it Caster? I mean, this is a scam. I called it a scam. He literally dumped on his followers. This was the top. When it came out, I had a message on Twitter. Someone said they're buying Caster for, what's his name? The Moon Carl, and he literally partnered with Bybit to rob his followers. Look at that dump. That's within 20 days of launching. I like Oreo. I'm still holding some NIA, so I think NIA will have another rally. The market cap is quite high in NIA already. It's in the top 19, but I think, yeah, with that stablecoin news, I see NIA price going up. Fundamental play as well. I like NIA. Appreciate Malco. Yeah, I'll be back again Sunday. I'll try and do more live streams on YouTube. I say at least 2 a month, but you know, if there's active and you guys, you know, let me know, comment, like, and I'll try and do more for you guys. So thanks, guys. I really appreciate it. Okay, guys, any other questions? Any other altcoins? What time is it? I'll be here for another 5-10 minutes. I'll be back Sunday. I think the weekend after I'm going away. Was it end of April? I can't remember. Next weekend I'm free, so I'll do a live stream again. And obviously back in the group, 3 to 4 live streams. The next live stream will be tomorrow, hopefully. And if Bitcoin pumps, hopefully we get some nice setups. Any coins, guys, I'll stay another 5-10 minutes, look through your coins. And I completely agree with, so 2 coins from the group today is KNC, NIA, and what was the other coin? And GRT. These were like Aurel coins and we liked, and some of the other coins I like as well. So Luna, GLMR, is it? GLMR. What was the other one that I shared? Forgot now. PYR. These are some coins that I like. Cult and Dent. Yeah, I'll have a look at them, guys. These are some of the coins I like. You can look to trade them. And Kiba to the moon. Right, this is a joke, by the way. Please don't buy Kiba because I've just said so. And this was a bit of moon. What is that? You're amazing. I appreciate it. I was just a joke, by the way, on Kiba. I sound like the moon Carl and stuff. And this is what I said on Kiba, by the way. So please, I own some Kiba. This is a really small coin. Trade with small size. If you have a 10k or 100k account, don't trade with more than Only trade with, like, if you have a 10k account, maybe $500. If you have a 100k account, maybe a couple of grand. Don't invest a lot of money in Kiba because this will dump at some point. Right, looks like lots of comments. I'm gonna have a look. I'm gonna go through them now. Lots of coin requests. Right, so SKL, I'm gonna try and flick through these. My girlfriend's making a chicken dinner, roast chicken dinner, so I don't want to miss that. Oh, I like it. Who asked for SKL? I'll give you a thumbs up. Short time frame, I like it. Nice little breakout. I like SKL. I don't really do NFTs. I've got some NFTs. I've got some Luna NFTs. I don't really do NFTs as much. I need to maybe look into that at some point. Nimic. I've not heard of Nimic before. I'm just flicking through these guys. Next Sunday I can spend a bit more time, hopefully. I don't like Nimic as much. I like the zone though. This is a nice support level. I mean, the thing is, I said at the start of watch the live stream from the start. If Bitcoin here holds, then this is a nice trade. There's like an RSI divergence, I think there should be, if I'm correct. Not quite. Actually, no, there is. This made a lower low. I like it. I would, strategy-wise, I'm happy to risk some on this. Orel, do you like this? Who asked for Nimic? Bull or bear market? I think it's sideways chop market. Whatever you want to call it. I like making money. I don't want to argue if it's a bull or bear market. Cult. I've missed Cult all evening. Yeah, I don't really know too much about it. The chart, yeah. I mean, simple analysis wise, this is in a chop zone. Wait for a breakout then to buy it, and you've got to be careful as well. This is a someone just paid £14. How have I got? Someone paid £14. I don't know how that happened. Anyway, yeah, that's my thoughts on Cult. Not much happening. Dent. I mean, Dent was a... I'll tell you something about Dent, guys. Dent, I got in Dent. Is it here? Sorry, here, right? I got stopped out in this position before it just mooned. I was so upset with this. I was really upset. And this is, if you go on the Telegram group and go back into 2021, I literally shared a live setup on this Dent. And then it mooned after the breakout. It went like 10x. And I missed that trade. I got like a small trade there. Really upset. I lost like a few percent. And then it went like 400%. One of my biggest regrets in that. Right, so Dent at the moment... I don't really know. Yeah, no daily bias on this, mate. I don't have a daily bias that will pump. Any coins, like I said, if Bitcoin pumps short term, you could look for these setups. These hourly trend changes, you can look for this. I mean, I'm in few already, like I've shared. That is not a bad trade. Done Kiba. TRX. I'm going to make a video on TRX and BTT this week. After Justin Sun left the company, I don't really like it. He used to be the one pumping the coin. He's gone now. I probably not gonna look to trade this one again. Maybe above there. I'm looking at the BTC chart first, so you know that I don't like the coin. Yeah, I don't think I'm a big fan of this. And this looks like a fake out as well. Trading wise, support here, maybe a bounce, but yeah, not my biggest fan. Oh, thank you, Gerald and Inch. Yeah, no worries. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. Goodbye, mate. See you next Sunday. Gerald, really appreciate it, mate. I wish I could share with you some likes, some really nice comments. And this is why I do this, because trading is a really lonely job. You think like trading's about like in Dubai and traveling and all that. It's a really tough job trading is. I have had like countless. I mean, Orel might, you might look at, oh, he's making money in his trades. He's probably looking at charts, 10-12 hours. I used to trade 20 hours. When I had a job, I'd look at trades when I'm at work. I'd go toilet, out of meetings to buy and sell, wake up in the middle of the night. That is what real trading is. I don't do it as aggressively as I used to, but it's a tough job. But yeah, thank you guys, really appreciate it. And this year, like I said, I know you're not making money. One of my goals is to hopefully protect you guys from not losing money, and hopefully we can make money as well. So yeah, really enjoy the support, and I'll probably just focus on Bitcoin I've got a few plans anyway, but yeah, thank you guys. I think that's about it, guys. Have I missed any coins? If I have missed any, next Sunday I'll try and do live again. Going back to Orel saying Nimic, he likes Nimic as well. This chart looks okay. I mean, what didn't you like about it, Orel? Maybe just let me know in the Telegram group. I'd like to know your thoughts. I mean, what I don't like about this is it's come here a few times. So maybe like a short time frame play, that's why I've posted it. It's come here once, 2, 3 times. So this could actually be a real breakdown. Is this why you don't like it? Everyone makes money in a bull market. I mean, even me, right? If I hadn't had 2017, and I don't come from like a really big background on money. Yeah, any last coins, just post now, guys. I'll look at a few more and then I'll round up the live stream. My chicken dinner's ready. But I'll just end it on this note. RMRK, is it Christian? There's a guy in the group. Yeah, I am. In the future, maybe. What do you mean by trading team? A Bitcoin 20. Message me on Twitter, mate. I don't know if I've missed it, or I'll definitely have a look tomorrow and then reply to you. But yeah, I'm looking for a trading team in the future, maybe. But I don't do any services like I won't trade for you. In the UK, you need like a trend. Okay, yeah, similar point that I made, Orel. But yeah, you need like a license to do that. Maybe when I'm like in my 40s and I've got a few traveling plans. But yeah, I'm happy to do that. I don't know if you remember from the group RMKR trader, but yeah, I mean, if I hadn't had 2017 and 2021, I wouldn't be. Oh right, how's it going, mate? I wouldn't be where I'm at. And I've done this live as well on the group. So that's like one of my, people have like education or like artwork. That's like my artwork that I left on YouTube and in the Rockstar Trading group. So yeah, let's have a look at RMRK, and I'll finish off with Bitcoin. Any final coins, guys? Just comment now. Let me have a look at the comments. So RMRK is not really. I mean, I'd still have that stop loss. So entry was here, wasn't it, with you? It came back. I think I said sell half because it's not working. I'd have stop loss. If it gets back below there, I think it's gone. I don't think it will work then. So it's pumped by, yeah. I'd leave it. This is my last chance. I'd give it. If it gets back below there, that's where I put the stop loss anyway. But yeah. So if you follow the trade setup, you bought it here, you sold half at break even, you're still in half. If it breaks below, get out. Yeah, ANC. ANC, I'm not sure. Right, ham. I literally like these four I'm gonna look at. So ham. Again, it's not got a good chart for me to look at. I'm not buying ham. Is this a scam, Eunice? This is crazy. OGN. Lossless. Is that a coin? Bitcoin 20? Is everyone just going to get their chicken dinner? The views just dropped. All the viewers have just left. OGN, I don't really have a setup in this. You know, when something pumps like this, I get scared to buy the pullback. That's just me. Unless I see a really nice structure, this will just be a trade for me. And then if it breaks down, so this is, if it does break out, so this could put in a low. Then if it breaks out, I'll buy that. I'll have this stop. If it breaks this, I'm running away. The chart doesn't look good. If that is the right chart, I don't like it. Lossless, is that a coin? I didn't know if it was a coin. Lossless tether. Where have you found this one, Bitcoin 20? This chart, I mean, high time frame looks okay. I mean, I'll set is it got any news or anything? I'll set an alert on this. I will finish off with ANC and then Bitcoin and then shoot off. Looks like it is a coin. It's on KuCoin as well, so I can trade it. Has it got any news? Okay, I mean, I wouldn't buy without a trade setup. I mean, this is a potential, like, inverse cup and handle, inverse head and shoulders, whatever you want to call it. So if we make a lower high and then break out, maybe in May time, I'd buy this. I'll keep an eye out for this. Let's do ANC. So ANC, I don't like coins that like ANC in a way, just because of, knowing Luna, people are going to dump ANC. I personally, the ANC that I get, I dump it from my anchor protocol. This pump rally, I shared a trade on here. I took this move up to there and I got stopped up below there. That was news related for me. I personally won't buy this now just because of that news. Trading wise, this is potentially looking like accumulation, isn't it? This is looking like accumulation to me. So flip 285, I think we're going to rally into $3 and 323.30. I like it when they hold support like this. So yeah, I like this, mate. I've been talking for an hour and 20 minutes. I'll review this. I'll set an alert on this. I'll review this tomorrow in the group. Right. Thanks, Ashi. See you guys next week, guys. I've enjoyed today. If the live stream's active like this, I'm happy to do more of these. Right. Let's do Bitcoin and then I'll finish off. Oh, Bitcoin's rallying now. So yeah, short-term frame, Bitcoin looks bullish. I think my next target is 44k. I think Bitcoin will head there, leading up to the CME. I didn't get to do my CME gap analysis. Maybe I'll leave that for another live stream. But yeah, I think 44k next. And then we could potentially come and close this gap. So high time frame, my plan for Bitcoin is short time frame. I think Bitcoin heads towards 44k, potentially 45k. Long term, we've broken huge support. Unless we get back above 46, 47k next, I'm leaning towards bearish to sideways consolidation. Short time frame, again, I'm long some altcoins with you guys today, and I'm leaning Bitcoin bullish towards 44, 45k. Then we'll have to review. If we can't get back above here this week, I think potentially we go lower. So that's my thoughts, guys. Have a great rest of Have a great rest of the evening. See you guys next Sunday. I'll release a couple of videos during the week, so like, share, I'd really appreciate it. And yeah, if you are interested in the Rockstar trading group, joining our community, I'd leave the links below if you guys are interested. If not, guys, again, just hit the like button, subscribe, and I really enjoyed it. So thank you very much, and I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.